thinking drains energy. So we have to accumulate energy from Nama Prabhu to experience it. Is my understanding right? No, it is wrong. You simply have to hear to experience Nama Prabhu. You no need to think. You don't need to think at all. Thinking is what tires. Not that what you are saying is okay. Thinking is tiring. So japa is thinking. So Nama Prabhu gives strength for thinking. No, we are not thinking at all. Chant and hear that very sound. Chant and hear that very sound. It's a very big secret, because this sound is coming from the spiritual world. Our attention should be touching that only and not anything else. This sound has got everything. We may wonder, what is this? So I should only chant and hear chant. You will see that chanting and hearing will further expand, as Prabhupada explains. Further, go on like that, it will expand into everything. Just like Krishna showed his universal form, he showed entire existence in his mouth to Yashoda. Krishna showed the universal form to Arjuna within his two-handed form. Similarly, entire Krishna is non-different from his name. Entire existence is there on your tongue when you chant. You don't need to think. That existence as required will be revealed to the devotee's heart. So much so that Prabhupada says at a stage, Krishna's leelas, eternal leelas in the spiritual world will play like a television in your heart when you do your Nama Japa. But these are all advanced stages, you cannot imitate. But doesn't matter. Even now also, you see, when I don't have anything, something is better now. I don't have any spiritual taste. Okay, I start getting my spiritual taste, little. Because we want so immediate result. No, I am not getting anything when I chant at 16 rounds. Nothing great. Nobody is telling you anything great like that. Spirit can taste, but your spirit is sleeping. Therefore, you are not able to appreciate the greatness of that small thing also. The very fact that you are sitting and hearing this video session is because some little love for Krishna is there. Otherwise, why you would be watching? But you cannot appreciate that. You may be able to appreciate, I love my child more, I love my dog more, I love my neighbor more. To that level, you may not be able to appreciate that I love Krishna. You may not also. That much is not awakened. Some love is there. Some attraction is there. Forget love. Some attraction is there for Krishna. Therefore, you are sitting and hearing this. So, experience is something which little by little it will come, but it is there.